and in today's video I have a shopping haul. I just got a package from SHEIN and I'm gonna share with you what I have in my package, and I'll be opening it up for the first time, so you'll get to see it with me for the first time. But let me put that down now. If you're wondering what my setup is, for some of you guys who don't already know, my new website, www.Kharyzma4u.com, is launching in about 8 days. Today is November 10th and we launch on the 18th. My new product is lip gloss. If you haven't seen the video, please scroll through my videos and watch my announcement video. And I also have lots of other videos on lip gloss. I have a few of the glosses here, just so you guys can see. And I got this table set up because I'm preparing for my launch and getting my products and stuff, together. So that's why this stuff is really all out here. And I thought it would look nice in the video, why not? But yeah, these are just some of the colors. I have different collections in my whole, in my new launch. And you will have to tune in for the launch so that you can see. I don't want to show you guys everything, but these are just some of the colors which I really love. And you see my name, Kharyzma4u, Kharyzma4u, and Kharyzma4u. Yes, my name is Kharyzma, and Kharyzma4u is my brand. For some of you who don't know, I have been making custom clothing, hair accessories, and I'm expanding into cosmetics. So that's just what you see here. Anyone who orders from my Etsy shop, that shop is still going to remain open, and Etsy orders right now are receiving free samples of lip gloss while supplies last. So go on over to my Etsy shop and order until you can get your free samples of lip gloss. Plus, I'm doing several giveaways, so please tune into my social media so that you can get on these free giveaways. I'm giving them away. All you have to do is follow the rules, but it's a giveaway. Why not? It's free. Okay, oh, you know what? So I can sample a gloss for you. This one is a clear gloss. You know you gotta have a clear gloss. Everyone loves a clear gloss. So let me show you what this one looks like. And the consistency, let me get close. See? I feel like I squeezed too much out, and I'm using my phone to see what I did. Love it. So if you love a lip gloss, please check out my website, www.Kharyzma4u.com. Sign up on our email list because you'll be the first to know about the sales, the giveaways, and the launch. Okay, so let's get into this SHEIN haul. I totally forgot what I ordered. This is, I think, my third order from SHEIN. So let's see. I got my scissors here. I literally just went to pick this package up and I'm so excited. I can't wait till all the Black Friday sales because I want to support a lot of the businesses, the small businesses, the Black businesses. I just want to support everybody. So if you have a business, let me know, put it in the comments. I will definitely check it out and I will support. Okay. Oh, now I remember. Okay, so this is one of the items that I ordered. I'm switching up my wardrobe because I'm getting tired of my clothes. I don't know about you, but for me, when I buy things, I get tired of them really quickly. I tend to buy lots of trendy stuff, but I don't like to spend a lot of money on them because I get tired of clothes. Plus, I sew and I make my own clothing, but I don't always feel like making my own clothing. Sometimes I just want to go online and purchase clothes. So, okay, so this is a sweater. Nice. And I'll do a haul for you guys a try on. If you would like that, just let me know in the comments if you want me to do a try on. I don't remember the size. Oh, it says one size. But this is a small one size. Because I can't see this fitting everyone. Like, I wear like a small medium. So I'm only 5'3". So, yeah, this says one size. So, yeah, I really like it. Why? Because it's like, I don't know how to I like it because it's very fashionable, the black and white, and then it has these nice pearl buttons on it, but then it's classy too at the same time. That's what I'm going for, like unique pop out type of fashion, but that's classy at the same time. So this is a sweater, and I definitely needed some sweaters, so I cannot wait to wear this. And I can pair, you can dress this up and you can dress this down. Like if you wanted to wear this with leggings, and then like for like a casual dressy look, you could wear it with some slacks and then some shoes. But if you didn't want to wear shoes, then you could wear some leggings with it, with some shoes, so you get a bit of casual and a little bit classy. But I love this. You could wear this with a black dress. You could really do a lot with this. So yeah, I'm so happy I got this. Okay, next up, okay, what fell out? These nails, guys, my nails were super long. Like you see how these are press-ons that I have on since this whole COVID-19 thing. I have not gone to get a professional manicure. My nails had grown as long as these nails here, longer, my real nails. They were wrapped. But when COVID-19 happened, I stopped going to the nail salon and my nails all broke off. So I've been wearing press-ons, and these are some press-ons that SHEIN has. I don't remember the price. It couldn't have been no more than $3, but I really love these. And guys, I will be selling press-on nails on my online store, so please check that out. So these are some nice pink, soft pink press-ons. Love it. Okay, next up, you know what, let me pause and I'm gonna put the sweater back in because I don't want to mess when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. So next up, fresh out the pack. Oh, love it. This is another, oh, this is a shirt. This one's kind of small though, it's tight. What size is this? This is a medium, but it seems like it's running small. But I don't know, I have to try it on to see. It feels like the fabric doesn't stretch that much. I like it because it's good for the fall. I like the pattern on it, but it just seems like it's kind of tight for me at least. Like this looks like an extra small. Like it's really narrow and it doesn't have that much give, and I'm a little disappointed. But I'm gonna have to try it on to see, but it really feels like it's gonna be tight. But we'll see. We'll see. I like it, but I'm wondering if it will fit. So we'll see. This one seems to be running type small. I'm gonna put these back in the bag because I don't want like a big mess when I'm done. I was shooting promo and different things. I had announced a giveaway winner because I'm having several giveaways for my lip gloss, and I did that earlier, so I got the notification that my package was here. So then I was like, okay, I could do do two things at once. I can get my package and do a video. Bing! I'm trying to create more content for you guys, get more active on YouTube, serve my community as best as I can. Okay, next up, I already know what these are. I remember. Pink slides. Guys, I had got some other ones from SHEIN, and these are hot pink with the bling on the side. Love them. I have another pair that I got. Let me show you right now so that you guys can see, because I had posted on my Instagram and you guys loved it. I got them from SHEIN. Let me get the other ones that I got and I'll show you right now. Okay guys, I got them. These are the first pair that I bought in my last order, I think, from SHEIN. I love them. They're the light pink with the bling on the side. This one only has like one strap of fur, but these are beautiful. If you love pink, if you love bling, like these are awesome. I don't wear them out in public like an outfit, but I wore them for like a photo shoot, and then I'll wear it like around my building in the common areas and stuff like that. Like, you know, you're lounging. So with loungewear, or, you know, your regular clothes, you're in your building, you know, you want to go sit by the pool, you want to go sit by, you know, in the lounge, whatever, you know, that's what I wear them for. I wouldn't wear them in the street. I really don't. I don't know. That's just me. I don't like the whole wearing slides out in public unless I'm going to the pool, or unless maybe I'm going somewhere that is not in public. I don't know what, you know what I mean? Like, I would prefer to wear something like this in the house. I don't believe in wearing slippers outside or bonnets outside, stuff like that. But yeah, these are super cute, and I got these ones now because these were, these actually, I want to get them in black and white, but they were sold out on SHEIN. So then they had these, the hot pink. I'm just mad because they don't have the bling here. I wish that they did, but it's hot pink, so it's different from this. Like, I tend to, like, when I see something, I buy it in different colors. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this one in black and in white, but I'm gonna have to look on some other websites. I know a lot of the small businesses sell these, so I'm gonna look and see if they have any sales and see if I can purchase some of these. But love, love, love them. I love them. Okay, next up, you guys can see the print through the bag. This is super cute. This reminds me of the Burberry print pattern, and I love it. What size did I get? I got a medium because I wasn't sure of the stretch. This one seems like it stretches more than the first one, so I think I'm good with this. I could already see. I love it. I love it. It looks really, really classy. It looks like the Burberry print, so kudos to them for nailing it. I love it. I'm definitely gonna wear this. I'm gonna class it up. Like, you guys will see when I do my try on haul, but I really, really, really love this. Love, love, love it. And I don't remember prices, but guys, I think everything came up to maybe under $60. You can't beat that. I had coupons and points from the last time that I shopped from them. So yeah, I love, love, love it. Okay, I don't remember what this is, but you will see. I'm trying to remember in my mind, like, oh, I think I remember. I think I remember. This reminds me, oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a dress with ruching, black dress with ruching down the middle, and the puff out sleeves, if you can see it. OMG. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I cannot wait. Like, I definitely will wear these to the holiday parties. Maybe I could wear this for my photo shoot for my website. Let's see. You guys will be the first to know. And this is a size 6. Is it a medium? Yeah, a medium size 6. I wasn't sure. I'm glad I didn't get a small because I could see the small wouldn't fit. The 6 will be fine. Medium is just perfect. And you guys will see it. I definitely have some shoes to wear with these. You can't go wrong with your little black dress. Long sleeves, ruching down the center, puff out sleeves. Awesome and classy. I could definitely wear this for the holidays and photo shoots. If you guys don't know, I do photo shoots. I'm a performing artist. So I have done some modeling as well, like for fashion, glam type of stuff, print work, things like that. So I always try to keep my wardrobe up to date, because some of the fashion shoots, they like when you have your own clothes. You can add to what they want you to wear. Sometimes they don't even have clothes for you depending on who you're modeling for. But, you know, I always like to bring my own little spice to things. So I always like to keep my wardrobe current. Alright, so the other things, I have some things here, but I don't want to share because these are like little giveaway goodies that I'm gonna put in my orders and stuff for some of my customers, so I don't want to ruin the surprise. But this is another pair of nails. These are press-on nails, and they are like French manicure style, but like with like the white part on it is a flame, like fire burning flame, like that type of thing. It's really, really cute. So I have 2 packs of these. Since I haven't been getting my manicures professionally, I've been doing the press-ons. I try to stack up on them. So I think that's it for my haul. I love it. Yeah, that's it for my haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will do my best to get up a try-on haul for you guys. I think that's about it. I wanted to do a video on my October faves because I had some things that I bought that I really, really liked, but I'm not sure. Bear with me because I'm doing promo for my new website and my new lip gloss, and I hope that you guys will like it. Definitely go on over to the website www.kharyzma4u.com, sign up on our email list, check out my social media for all the giveaways, and definitely support the business. We launch on November 18th, and I'm just so happy to share my products with you and everything. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.